Maligayang kabaitan.
Malipayong kaadlawan.
Junishing Kwaila.
Sangyan Shuka Hamida.
Welcome to the club. 60 years old ka na, kaya may advantages at saka disadvantages yan. Number one disadvantage, pagpapasok ka sa Mercury, mapapansin mo ayaw kalapitan ng mga sales girl kasi may 20% discount ka. Pero sa government offices, swerte yan kasi ang pila mo mas maiksi. Kahit na ikaw ay pangatlo sa amin, you took the leadership ng family kaya ikaw na yung aming big daddy.
Kailangan good health para sa mga negosyo mo, maraming blessing. Para yung mga kaibigan mo, pamilya mo, kami, patuloy mo tinutulungan. Salamat sa mga binigay mo sa amin. Thank you. Ayun na lang.
Hi Robert, you're 60 and at that age, among others, you're entitled to free movies, discounts on items that you'd like to purchase, particularly medicines. At that age also, you give meaning to life by sharing the blessings of the Lord. And every time I count our blessings, you are always there. And may the Lord light shine on you, Robert. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Tama ba?
Mahilig dyan, ang kwan dyan pag magigipag-away yan pupuntahan niya ako sa high school sa akin magsusumbong. So aawayin ko yung maaway sa kanya. Kaya kadalasan malapit ako makipagsuntukan dyan.
Bob, naalala mo ng araw doon sa Gagamba. Kakain tayong tanghali, susinisido Tumatawag natin si mama. Walang nakapansin, nagalit si mama sa atin, lahat tayo di pinakain. Tapos pag nagtatapon tayo ng basura, dugudunog tayo sa jeep. Parang combat. Ayaw, yun lang ayaw mga highlights ng bata kami. Yung pang jeep namin, katabi kayo ng basura. Agad isa tulay, combat, ambush. Doon daga kayo sa jeep na gano'n. Nahuhulog ako, pumunta ko, ikabukal ako noon.
Remember when Mom was still a kid and then she started crying because she accidentally swallowed the juicy fruit chewing gum because she thought she'll die, so she started crying, and then after that you immediately performed magic on her and then you got the chewing gum from her belly button and then she stopped crying, and that made you her hero even up till now. We wish you good health and continued success. And then, thank you for all your blessings. May the Almighty Father reward you for your kindness and generosity to everyone.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.